Welcome to the watch list. I'm Lindsay Melchak. Tocvan Ventures has announced a significant discovery at its Grand Pillar gold-silver project in Sonora, Mexico. Core drilling conducted 300 meters east of the main zone has returned the highest gold grade interval ever recorded outside this primary area. Joining us to share more of this exciting news is CEO of Tocvan Ventures, Brodie Sutherland. Welcome, Brodie. Great to have you with us. Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you, Lindsay. I appreciate being on today.
Now, can you provide us just some of the key highlights from your ongoing drill results as drilling continues? And really, what can investors expect?
Yeah, obviously it's an exciting year for us. And, we've been working on our Grand Pilar project for over 4 years now. And I think the significance is that over the last year, we've consolidated a significant land package around us. So, I think leading into this year, there's been an exciting series of events. We closed a placement for 3.15 million in February. Shortly after, we put out the first results ever on our expansion zone with RC drilling. That hit significant mineralization in several holes. And now what we're seeing is core drilling done back through our main zone and the immediate area around it. And each time we put out results from that area, we're finding, significant results. This last set, I think, were the most interesting in that we're 300 meters away from the heart of our main zone. We're seeing very high grade mineralization that's actually just below surface. And this completely opens up the potential for resource around us. So exciting times ahead. We've got more core results that are pending and expect to have those out very soon. And that's all leading us into maiden resource estimate that we plan to spring into a PEA later this year. And then also moving towards permitting for full-scale development. And in tandem with that, it's also permitting for a pilot mine, which we plan to do this year. So lots of catalysts, exciting year for us, and I think this is just the start.
Well, let's flip over to that other project that you spoke about. What updates can you share with us on your pilot mine facility and other key objectives for 2025?
Yeah, with the pilot, it's all about building off of a bulk sample that we completed in 2023, where we were successful in pouring 2 kilos of doré off of that. And now we look to further build off that with a pilot facility on site and look to process up to 50,000 tons. So we're going through the permitting for that right now. Our expectation is to have that back shortly and start the initial process of building towards that pilot mine, which is again to showcase that you can produce things very cost effectively here in Sonora, Mexico, and also showcase the viability of the project as we move it forward. So an exciting time for us to go through that process. I think with gold trading above $3,100, this is the time to really be looking at projects like this and looking at production. And I think there's very few companies of our size that ever get to that stage. So an exciting time for us to take that step. Also, building off of that, it's leaning in towards, again, permitting for full-scale development and getting that in queue and in process so we can take full advantage. And the outlook we're looking at is within 18 to 24 months being permitted to build a full-scale mine. So this is the time to move in this space. We're excited. We're gold and silver headed, and we think we've got an excellent asset to move us through that.
Well, I mean, you have lots of exciting things in the buckery now. Like watching the chef sack. Please be sure to come back and give us more updates soon.
Sounds good, Lindsay. I will.
Again, that was Brodie Sutherland, CEO of Tocvan Ventures. To learn more about them, their website is tocvan.com, and make sure to bookmark stockhouse.com for all of your market news. I'm Lindsay Melchak. Until next time.